Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial on how to draw two equilateral triangles, one oval, two vertical lines, a horizontal 3, and whiskers. So the first thing you want to do when you're drawing your triangles is you want the triangles to be kind of like the tips on this line to make arrows. So you got one triangle here, and then another triangle here. Now since it's not like a perfect distance, because I can't draw perfectly, you gotta connect them with an oval like that. And then once you're here, you gotta draw parallel lines down the center like this. And it's very important here that everything from this point on is lined with the eyeballs. And then you want to make a horizontal 3 right below like this. And you gotta add your whiskers. You can do 4, but don't take my art style, please. And that's how you draw two triangles, one oval, vertical equal sign, a horizontal 3, and whiskers.